After a refreshing visit to two stunning waterfalls, it's time to enjoy the evening at Lovina's beach. There are plenty of bean bags at the beach to sit and relax. There's a traditional ballet performance taking place on a stage near the beach. Although I can't understand the Balinese language, it looks like a skit based on Ramayana or Mahabharata. When the sun sets, Lovina transforms into a vibrant hub of nightlife. The short street near the main beach is filled with cafes and pubs where live music creates an electric atmosphere. The highlight of the night is witnessing our talented friend take the stage and captivate the audience with her soulful singing. Lovina's nightlife is a perfect way to unwind and create unforgettable memories. I'm going to rest and sleep well before waking up early in the morning for the dolphin tour.